This question, I will throw this one to Miss Andrea. So, with the shift of to remote work, online interviews have become the new norm. What advice do you have for our candidates to stand out in virtual interviews?
So to answer your question, Mika, of course, thank you very much for having us. Standing out in online interviews is really hard. Okay, but there's only three key areas that you have to remember. Okay, first, preparation, professionalism, and engagement. All right. So preparation, of course, you do not want to come to an interview unprepared in all aspects, unprepared in what you're going to look like, during the interview. Excuse me, unprepared in your background, in this tech setup, unprepared especially of if your answers of how you're gonna compose or bring yourself, forward to during the interview, and of course professionalism. So at all times, guys, these people na mga nagfi-fail because of being unprofessional. Kasi meron silang wrong connotation na some people, so sad, kasi some people would think that, okay, online lang yan. So, okay lang yan, mga ganon. So, utmost professionalism should be observed also, even if it is just online interview. Kasi, hindi naman ito laro-laro na job ang inyong a-applyan. This is an actual job. You're going to work with CEO, founders, directors of the company. So we should be professional. And then lastly, engagement. Of course, you have to be engaging. As an interviewer, I've been doing this for 5 years already. So I've interviewed hundreds of applicants. At isa sa pinaka ayoko na ini-interview is yung hindi marunong mag-engage. Yung isang tanong, isang sagot. Ang hirap kumuha ng sagot. 'Di ba? Parang okay pag may tatanong ako tapos sasalitaan lang ako ng, let's say do you have a current work engagement? And then sasagutin lang ako, no. Ano, tama naman yung sagot niya, no naman yun, di ba? Pero, pwede namang i-expound yun, di ba? Tapos pag sinabi kong, how did you learn about Vavavoom? Facebook. So, mga ganon, di ba? Parang, walang engagement, di ba? You have to be conversational para naman talaga matuwa yung interviewer. Not only matuwa yung interviewer, but may makuha. Kasi the interviewer will know you so through your conversation. So yes, it's essential then also to research about the company kasi wala naman siguro sa ating nag-apply dito no na hindi natin inaalam kung ano yung company, especially nowadays lalo kung online ang ina-applyan mo. You have to be clever. You have to be vigilant also in researching and finding out the company kung scam ba yan, kung legit ba yan, di ba? So it's really a disappointment pag may tatanungin kami, may makakausap kami during interview, mostly kay Zento sa level ni Zento. 'Di ba? Hindi alam kung ano yung tungkol sa Vavavoom. So walang idea about the company pag tinanong. And then of course, you have to practice your responses to common interview questions. Alam na natin yan 'di ba? Pag common interview, why should we hire you? Yung mga ganong bagay, 'di ba? Tapos what's your plan in 5 years? 'Di ba? Meron tayong mga questions na anticipated na natin at some point, whether it's online or whether it's a physical interview in a corporate job here in the Philippines. Okay? And of course, ensure your virtual presence is polished and professional. So, ayusin naman natin yung mga sarili natin, 'di ba? Di baling naka-shorts tayo sa ating mga pang-ibaba, basta maayos naman yung nakahagip dun sa Zoom. Kasi 'di ba, eto na lang kalahati na lang yung nakikita sa mukha, hindi pa ayusin, 'di ba? Tsaka ano, bothersome yun na, nakaka-bother yun sa nag-i-interview. Promise. Di ba? Parang ang gulo-gulo. Kung ikaw nag-i-interview ka, tapos babae interview mo, tapos ang gulo ng hair, parang gusto mong tumagos yung kamay mo sa screen, tapos ayusin natin yung hair. Eh, napaayos ng hair si Mika.
Sorry
Your,
po.
your curls are always perfect naman, Mika. So yes, guys, importante yun. Kasi, di ba, I always say, treat your interview like, break it or make it. So, laging ilagay yun sa isip. 'Di ba? How much more kung client na ang inyong haharapin. Usually, guys, I know, sasabihin ng iba, ang higpit din sa Vavavoom, dami nilang arte. Kasi guys, I have to for our viewers, I want you guys to all understand if if you're doing your research about Vavavoom, you know that our clients are British. Okay? So we deal with British clients and we know for a fact that British or English people are really professional. So importante sa kanila yun eh. We are just guiding, we are just training, we are just grooming all of our VAs and applicants to present themselves ng maayos sa client. So, actually, it's also a favor, di ba, of us. Kung tutusin, di ba, wala naman sa amin yun eh. Ano naman kung what would the client think about you during the interview, kung anong itsura mo. But then, kagaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, here in Vavavoom, we are really committed in helping our applicants and virtual assistants.